Okay, listen, I'm annoyed just as much as you are. So basically, I have took my £400 account to 200 grand finally. And I wanted to film the moment for you, because for me, it's quite actually a big thing, because I actually trade multiple 100 grand trading accounts. And the way I operate is everything I earn over 100 grand, I withdraw it at the end of the month and then invest it, right? If I make a withdrawal, okay? But I don't really go beyond 150 grand, okay? So now I've hit 200 grand, you know, it's quite good for me, right? Now, I'm not going to earn any more money from it. It just means basically, I target around 20 to 30 grand a month, right? On 100 grand, okay? If I have a good month, right? And I hit my trading hard. I think my best month's like 40, 50. In fact, I say my best month is actually now. Let me show you, right? Look, I'll show you. Let me just show you here, right? So let me log into here. And it's quite annoying because I wanted to film this situation, right? But I'll explain to you why I never got a chance to. But we're going to take some trades in today, right? So as you can see here, right, 201 grand, my trades today, and then my week here. So I say I average around 20 to 30 grand a month. I mean, essentially 54 grand in 1 week. Most of it, if you actually look, okay, is Bitcoin, right? Look, so literally I've been trading Bitcoin all weekend, right? I actually use this account specifically for Bitcoin, but I made a big deal by saying that I want to hit 200 grand and film it for a YouTube video. And it's quite annoying, okay? Because if you look at this trade here, you see GP CAD, all of my members last night said to me, Jamie, you've took 100 lots on GP CAD and you've barely made any money. And this is the reason why, okay? I was having a webinar with a member last night, okay? This was the setup we took on the webinar together. I explained, pullback strategy, Mogwai Reversal, right? You get the idea, trend down, pullback, MACD overbought, right? And I deliberately closed this trade off early because I said, no, I want to film this moment, right? So I closed it off early just because I didn't want to hit the 200 grand. And then this morning, I have a webinar with the members, with another member, right, at 6 a.m. in the morning. And we took this, by the way, we took a Mogwai strategy because this particular member wanted to learn the Mogwai strategy with support and resistance. So we took a buy off the 1 minute here. Okay, which explains, if you go back to my results at the bottom here, you would see all the mini buys, right? You see all them buys here. If I go to day, you see all the buys, okay? So I never got a chance to film it, okay? And just as well in the UK, you lot are going to laugh at me if you live in Canada, right? This is currently my house at the minute, right? It is, we are currently having a snowstorm, okay? So literally, as soon as I had the webinar, I had to drive my son to school. I had to take Ruth to work. And the most funniest part is, get this right. So we have 4 cars in the household, right? We have a BMW X5, a Mercedes C-Class, a Lamborghini Gallardo, an Aston Martin V12 manual, and a Ferrari on its way. Now, which of those cars do you think's the best in the snow? The Lamborghini. Believe it or not, because it's 4-wheel drive. So at literally 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm driving this Lamborghini cross country in the snow and doing a school run and then coming back, picking Ruth up, taking Ruth to work. So I've just got back now and I realized I've missed a lot of setups on the charts, and I mean a lot. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a trade. Okay. I want to, just kind of film something to say, this magical moment, because even though I make these YouTube videos, I actually use these YouTube videos to kind of document my trading journey, right? I go back and I look at every single year to see how well I've done, right? So this is Mogwai Reversal Group. I just want to show you some of the results so far this morning, which as you can see, I pretty much have missed. There's a nice little buy on GPJPY, Aussie US dollar. Someone's made £1,200. That's nice. Hold on. We need to go the other way, don't we? Hold on. So there we go there. What's that? Euro USD sell, Euro USD sell, Euro USD sell, another Euro USD sell. What's this one here? TP Euro USD, Again, more members in this one here. Closed 90% off with London Open. Again, what's this one? EJ. Another one, I assume that's EJ. That's my house this morning. As you can see, literally, it was what's this? More sales. More. This was GP CAD. This was GP. Sorry, I'm back. The dog was barking. Right, postman. Every time the postman comes, dog barks. Okay, I don't need a doorbell. Just got a dog. So this was GP CAD. Okay, last night that I took with a member, as you can see, and you can see this is the trade afterwards. Right. I want to show you as well from a member who is now. I swear to God, his name's Roy. So GP. This is Michael Austin. Some nice trades here. Some nice buys there. But what I wanted to show you. Hold on here. Where is it here? Here we go here, almost 100%. So this BD member actually passed a prop firm challenge with a 100% win ratio, right? And this is Roy. You'll know Roy. He's a BD member. I'll just show you here, as you can see, successfully passed a prop firm challenge with a 100%. In fact, I'll actually find you the exact post that he made. Give me a sec here. Just to show you transparency, and then we will take some trades together, yeah? We'll jump straight into it. So if I just go to the Mogwai, the Binary Destroyer Facebook group here, you'll actually see the post from Roy, okay? Which is a big achievement because Roy joined me, and obviously, you know, he struggled, and now he's finally listened and he's smashing it. So where is it here? I think it is, here we go here, right? 100% win ratio on prop firm challenge, just passed 100k prop firm evaluation using the Mogwai. Over the past 3 weeks, I managed to achieve a 10% gain with incredible win rate. The Mogwai Reversal strategy is a game changer. So there you go there. That's all of his trades, as you can see. I wonder if that's actually a video. Yeah, it is a video. You can see just there. So that's all his trades, right? So let's jump into it, right? Let's take a trade because I feel like I've missed out on a lot of trades, right? So what we're going to do is watch how I do this, okay? I'm going to flick through all the charts really fast and look how confident I am. I'll find a setup like that, okay? So first of all, we're going to start off on the 1 minute time frame like this, okay? Give me a sec here. Okay, so gold is currently nothing. Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD is going to give me a setup. Okay, this was that sell that everybody took just there, right? But watch this. Okay, this is a perfect trade. I reckon I could get a quick in and out scalp on this one with Mogwai Reversal, right? So as you can see here, first level of structure. Okay, second level of structure just there. We haven't come quite to it, but that's fine because I can just use a wider stop loss to factor in. Watch that. That MACD is about to go overbought. I'm going to take this trade. Watch this, right? Watch how quickly I am. Right, okay. Euro USD. Ready? Watch this. Okay. Watch my the way I trade. When my phone loads up. Here we go here. We're going to go in at 5 lots. Sell. Done, right? Just to show you as well. I'm going to put this side by side so you can actually see the trade we're in. Okay, you'll see that I've just entered a little bit early before the alert, but we don't need to worry about that because I'm an expert. Look, there you go. See that little arrow appear? See that little arrow appear? It's magic, isn't it? It's like I almost know how to trade this strategy. But this is good, right? Because this is what you're seeing. You're seeing confidence, right? You're seeing somebody that is taking their 2000 Mogwai reversal setup that is currently trading 7 days a week, right? What I'm showing you here, it's not like anything secret. It's not some like magic strategy. It's literally just basic trend trading and then getting very good at trading their strategy where they can bang, get a setup and just take it, right? So as you normally see, right, as we got here, we've got our lower low, we've got our lower, you know what I mean? That's clearly a downtrend, okay? Then what we also have here at this level is we have our 2 points of structure. So I'll just do it here, downtrend, pullback, structure, downtrend, pullback structure. That is literally all we need to do. That confirmation of a trend. We know this is now with the trend. We wait for all of our setups to line up. I might actually get an alert here very soon. It might give me a B alert because that's an A alert. This might be a B alert. But it doesn't matter. I'm already in the trade, as you can see. Okay. And then what I'll do is, because we haven't quite come to this level, I'm going to put my stop loss out of the way because it just allows some breathing space. You know, we're going to go probably something like that there, and then we'll target the bottom of the zone. And there we go there. So that is it. That's my trade. We are currently in profit, which is good. I managed to capture it right at the perfect time. I mean, you know, if there was one time that I needed to be on the charts, it was exactly this moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come straight back and then I'll give you an update on the trade. What I'll probably do is, because I've already, if you can see, I've already pretty much hit my target for the day. What I'll actually do is I'll just manage the trade. If I can get about 500 quid out of that trade, that would be nice. I normally take profit around halfway. So I normally, around this level here, what I'll do is I'll close off partials, right? Move my stop loss to break even. See, a lot of members are also calling this trade here, EU sell. So they're already with me on this trade here. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll come straight back. Let me show you a little trick with the Mogwai Reversal, because obviously I've been trading the Mogwai Reversal for so many days, for years now, literally every single day. I don't think I've had a day away from trading this strategy. Watch this, right? And again, this just comes from doing the same thing over and over again, right? It's nothing special. It's not like some secret strategy. It's just literally looking at what we see on the charts, right? And most of it's simple, right? Trend trading, some moving averages, TCA line, MACD, Mogwai arrows, more arrows, alerts. That is it. You notice we got an alert now. Watch this, right? Watch this. We'll start to drop now, because look how we get diversions on the MACD, right? You see how price is continuing higher, but yet the MACD is going lower? It's diversions, right? There is a strong area of resistance at this level just here. That's why I was putting my stop loss out of the way. See where my stop loss is? Right? You see where my stop loss is? Now, I wouldn't normally do this, right? But you can actually, right round here, right? Because I normally say I had a compound strategy. Do you remember? Where, like, if this trade loses, I would then sell from the top of the zone just there. Bang, right? Get me loss back. You notice where my stop loss is in respect to the previous high, right? It's fine, right? This here is the breathing space that you need, right? My job here is to win this trade, right? That's what's going to pay my bills, right? Now watch this, okay? What I'll do is I'll actually fire off another trade right here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I actually took 2 trades actually, so this will be my 3rd trade, but I just want to show you, right? Watch this, okay? Watch this. And again, this just takes experience, right? It's something you can all learn to, right? So watch me take here, right? Bang. And this is like, oh, hold on. There we go here, right? You ready? So I'm going to fire off another trade just there. Bang. So as you can see here, minus 600 quid, right? It's fine. Watch what happen now, right? Price will start to come down. And this is what I'm saying about allow breathing space, right? There's nothing worse than having a tight stop loss. Hold on, my computer screen is about to turn off. There's nothing worse, right, than having a super tight stop loss, then getting stopped out and price dropping, right? There's nothing worse from that. If I lose this trade, I lose this trade, right? You can't do anything about that, right? And this is why I always try and say, is that sometimes trades are just going to win, they're just going to lose. And there's nothing you can do about that. What makes you a good trader is being able to consistently win these trades, right? Trade after trade after trade, right? Yeah, you're going to get some losses, you're going to get some wins, you're going to get some that just win, some big wins, some that just lose, they just stop you out. Sometimes you get some big losses, whatever, right? That's trading for you. Sometimes you're going to take trades in on the completely wrong currency pairs. I do all the time, right? So there you go there, right? I just want to show you here my, you can see here, just watch price come down. And like I said, it's normal, right? Just price is pulling back here, and then eventually it's just going to come down and we should make some profit. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come back again. Hello. Right, okay, listen, I'm going to have to close this trade off early because I need to pick my son up from the school and take him to the doctors, right, because he's not feeling very well. And obviously, at the minute where I live, it is covered in snow, so I'm going to have to go pick him up. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm back in profit on this trade, and just to show you transparency, what I'm going to do is, let me show you here, again, this comes from experience, right? And this is why I always say to you, if you are confident with the Mogwai Reversal, right, and you confirm the trend and everything lines up perfectly, it's fine, right? You don't need to worry. So as you can see here, where's the trade, right? So bang, there you go there, 800 quid. What I'm going to do, okay, is like I said, I can't sit here for any longer just waiting for something to happen, right? So I'm going to close off some of these trades, right? So done, that's closed, okay? This one here, I'm going to close off there, done. Okay, this one here, I'm going to close off, let's just go with 4 lots, done. Okay, so as you can see here, we're dropping down nicely now, which is fine. We had that breathing space, okay, which was fine. We did everything we should have done, right? What I'm going to do is, obviously, I'm going to go out now. I'm going to move that stop loss down. What I'll do is I'll just put it just to the top of that high, okay? I'll just put it to the top of the high. Okay, and then my take profit is obviously, we'll just leave it at that, right? And now I'm in a risk-free trade. So I can go off now, I can go drive my car, go to the doctors, and I'm still in this trade, right? And I don't even know why I've showed you that, because you see it there. And I don't need to worry, okay? Everything's now essentially risk-free. If I get stopped out at break even, it's fine. I've already made money, as you can see. The account balance is 202,000. Like I said, I wish that this setup was perfect for you and I could film the entire process. But like I said, I've got to go out and I don't spend my time sitting on YouTube videos filming my trading, right? So I'm going to I'm going to manage this off my phone, and yeah, I'll give you an update, whatever happens. So I'll see you very shortly.